at the lens. Hi guys, I'm back with another video. By the way, I forgot to inform you guys that from now on, I will be trying to stick to 2 uploads every week. Inshallah, God willing, I can stick to that schedule. I am doing a spring-summer, well, I don't know if it's spring-summer haul, but I am doing a, no, it is a spring-summer haul, from the What's New In section at ASOS. I went on their website last night. I go on most nights, but last night in particular, I stayed on for a long time. Hopefully I'm gonna like it all. It's snowing outside and I'm clearly just getting too excited for sunny weather. Oh, by the way, the box came stinking of weed. And I'm just thinking that the guy, the delivery man was like, he's on one, you know what I mean? Let's just talk about the elephant in the room, shall we? And that is my scarf style and the fact that Dina is wearing a beanie beret. It's like a beanie beret, it literally is. So I've worn it less like a beret, more like a beanie, over this lightweight chiffon scarf. This is a style that many hijabi women are rocking at the moment. I have tried to avoid it for a very, very long time because I just don't ever think it suits me. But if you watch my, sorry, I just fixed myself. If you watch my Instagram stories, you will know that I, Dina, am going through a huge style crisis right now, and I'm basically fed up and bored shitless of my style, my regular scarf. I'm just bored of myself. So right now I've got this mentality which is like, F it, try everything, Dina. And hopefully things will be more fun for me. Anyway, I do this probably every 2 years, maybe 3 years. I actually really like the style. It's incredibly comfortable, can I just say? And it's warm. But my only worry is if I grow to really like the style, how am I gonna keep it up in the summer? Because you can't really wear a beanie in the summer. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to make some kind of headpiece thing where, I don't know. Anyway, let's get straight into the haul, shall we? I think I spent just under £400. And normally when I spend £350 to £400 at ASOS, you know, it gets me a lot of stuff. But for some reason, when this box came, I opened it briefly, but I haven't opened up the product. I just felt like, what have I got to show for spending that amount of money? Literally, what? Right, the first piece of clothing is the ASOS Design soft shirt in sheer and solid in black. And I bought this in a size 14. Basically, I was going through my wardrobe the other day and I was just looking for something really easy to wear, and I was thinking I just need like a black oversized top, but I didn't want it to be like a sweatshirt or anything, and I've got black sweatshirts, but I realized they didn't have just a plain black nice baggy top that I could just wear almost every day. So I was like, well, I need to get one of those. I bought myself a shirt. It's got sheer panels at the bottom, which is fine because that's around the leg area anyway. But the midsection is solid, which means it's not see-through. That's the important bit for me. I'm pretty sure it's going to come in very, very handy for me. Anyway, what's this? Oh yes, this is the blue bag. So I went and bought myself a bag. Now, if you guys know me really well, you know that currently I actually don't wear a bag. A few of you guys have asked me to do what's in my bag video, but I'm not going to do that until I actually start using a bag. Because right now what I do is I just take Hannah's little bag, which is her little spotty rucksack, and in there is everything that we need for the day, which is just 2 nappies, a change of clothes, maybe some snacks, and a drink of water, and that's what's in the bag. If I'm going somewhere and I need my vlog camera and stuff, I normally just put that stuff in my pocket. So normally I just have my card with me, my phone, and my camera, nothing else. I do want to start using bags though, for fashion reasons, because of this style rut that I'm in, but also so that I can carry more things with me. Because sometimes when I'm out and about with people, like if my mum has a bag on her, I'm just like, oh, stick that in your bag, will you? So I'd rather not have to do that. Anyway, I bought this puffer bag. Ooh, that's a nice magnetic little opening. Satisfying, that is satisfying. I could do that all day. Oh yeah, listen, listen. It's good, that, isn't it? So ASOS has come out with a new line called 4505, which is like a sports line. And this bag, sorry, I just had a pasty. This bag is from there, and I just liked the comfortness. Oh, I like that tag. That's a nice tag, ASOS. It's like a plastic one. You can't rip that shit off, can you? No, you can't. Super lightweight, obviously, but also feels not it doesn't feel as flimsy because it's like padded. Oh, this is a bloody gym bag, mate. I didn't realise. It splits on the inside. There's a compartment here with a zip. This side and this side. Is there any small pockets? Small little pockets here. I use this midsection for like my imported stuff, camera, card, my stuff and then the rest of it for Hannah's stuff. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Oh, I do like that. Okay, the tag looks like shit there, but whatever. I actually really like that, guys. It's huge. I think I'll start using that as of tomorrow. Okay. We have an item of clothing from my beloved ASOS White. And you all know how much I love ASOS White, and I buy the whole collection all the time. Okay, so I bought this in a size 12. Here it is. It's a very soft denim. It is high neck, perfect for moi. The back is longer than the front, which is also perfect for me because I cover my backside. And also the back is poppers. What do you think? It's just one of those tops that I think would be very timeless and I would keep in my wardrobe for a very, very, very long time. You know, like awkward spring, summer weather transitions where it's sunny outside but it's a bit chilly, but you don't want to go full on and wear a jacket or a jumper. I like to wear heavier kind of tops like this. They also actually had matching trousers to go with this, but I didn't get them because they looked like they would be quite tight around the waist. They weren't an elastic waist or anything, and I quite like the idea of that when I'm doing coordinated set. I didn't buy the trousers, but now that I've seen the fabric in real life, it's a very, very soft denim, and actually I think I'm going to go and buy the trousers to pair with this top. I think it would look really nice. Next up we have this bamboo bag, and it's a square boxy clutch. Basically, this style of bag is so hot a few months ago actually, so I'm a bit outdated, but I don't care. I just thought this bag would be really nice in the summer. What do you think? I mean, it doesn't open up. Ooh, is that gonna be annoying? Hold on. No, it's not. My arm fits. Ooh, it's a bit scratchy. Ooh, that might be annoying. I don't know. I felt like I needed a bamboo bag in my bag collection, so I got this and I really like it. In fact, do you think it goes with this outfit? No, not really. It could do, maybe. That is so cute. Look at it. Look how nice it looks with plants and blinds. Shoes. Hold on. So basically I saw these flip-flops / sandals and I was just like, I want them now. And they're these. And also the chunky sole. Can we just talk about chunky soles? Oh guys, I have been trying for so long to get my hands on the Balenciaga ugly sneakers. They just released 2 new colors and they sold out within like a few hours or a day or something stupid, and I couldn't get my hands on it. I need that shit in my life. It's so hard to get hold of. And I'm not a hype beast, by the way. Dina is just the biggest unhype beast on the planet. When I saw those trainers ages ago now, I even said to Sid, yo, these shoes, these sneakers are speaking to my soul. I've always loved that kind of ugly shit. You guys know that, because sometimes I wear things and you're like, yo, what the fuck is she wearing? I never wanted a pair of trainers so badly in my life. That's how much I want them. Anyway, we have, I can't remember. By the way, guys, I'm wearing dungarees. What? I know. This is also ASOS White, and it's a t-shirt with a green belt. I bought it in a size 14. It's very wide, but what I like about it is on the back it has a waistband, and here is the belt. Oh, very stretchy, very nice. That'll work. Yeah, it will. So basically you bring the belt round here like that, don't you? And then you tie it like all fancy, and then you've got a nice green waist. What do you think? Nice? A nice easy black top, but something a bit different with that nice green belt. I thought maybe with just jeans, maybe layering it with a white t-shirt underneath, and then those fluffy sandals. I don't know, something like that. Hold on a minute. My dungarees are a bit tight, you see. Now, without fail, whatever season it is that I'm shopping for, there will always be some kind of sweatshirt in the shopping list. 100%. Always buy sweatshirts, and I will not stop. It's my favorite thing on the planet. This is a Monkey sweatshirt, and it's in a size extra large. Oh, it's the Monkey Cares range. I didn't know Monkey did that. It says, my own boss. And it has a high neck. Ooh, next I bought some wellies. It rains a lot in England, and I love glitter. I really do. Do you like my shiny boots? Also, I thought it'd be cute because Hannah loves wellies, so we could wear fun wellies together. What do you reckon? Nice? Another top from ASOS White. They've actually called it a shirt dress, but to me it's a top. I got this in a size 12. I really love the minimalistic kind of design of this shirt. It's got quite a few panels. I just thought it was really cool. It's almost like a trench jacket actually, but shirt fabric. What are these called? These panel lapels. And then it's buttoned here. Quite like this, yeah. My plan for this top was to wear it actually with trousers that I have in the same colour. And then I wanted to wear those Balenciaga trainers with it, or something like that, but I couldn't find anything. So actually I ended up buying these that I found on Zara, but they haven't arrived yet. I'll just show you on camera though. I ended up getting these, which you can't see because they're not here. And this is an ASOS haul also. Oh yeah! Next up we have, oh, I bought, oh shit. Oh, just go on the floor then. I bought red socks, guys. Oh! Where's the pink top that I ordered? What? Yo, ASOS is taking the mick because I swear to God I ordered sunglasses and a pink top. Guys, I'm pretty sure I ordered this sweatshirt from ASOS White as well. I remember having it in my checkout because that's the reason that I bought the red socks, but it hasn't arrived and I've had a look on my bag and it wasn't there, so I need to order that for next day delivery now. I'm gonna get that in a size 10, by the way. Oh, maybe it was in my bag for more than an hour by the time I picked everything else, and so they took that off as well as the sunglasses that I ordered, maybe. Okay, I've ordered that as well. I ordered these socks, which online look bright pink, can I just say, but they've arrived and they are bright red. Totally not what I wanted. I wanted a hot pink to go with that pink top. So then where's the pink shoes I ordered? What is ASOS doing? This haul is unfinished. How annoying. Look, guys. Hold on, let me just put in pink espadrilles. I swear to God, I also ordered these to go with the pink socks, but they haven't come and they're not in my basket. These are the socks I ordered. Clearly look hot pink, not bright red. All right. I bought, also very late to the party with it, it's the Sigma glove for cleaning your brushes. What?
What do you want?
I didn't.
You just said Sid.
No.
You clearly just said Sid.
I literally didn't say Sid.
But you
Anyway,
said shit.
I probably
Why
said
does it
shit.
smell in here?
It smells of weed, doesn't
It's
it?
weed.
Yeah, it smells of weed. I don't know. Someone got high in my room. I realised that I need one of these gloves to scrub my brushes on, pretty much. Put it on like this, and it's got all ridges, everything. Have a closer look if you don't have it, because you're slow like me. And then I bought a belt, guys. Now, I'm not a big belt person, in case you hadn't noticed, because I don't have a waist. I know it makes it look like I have a waist, but I always think... I mean, I always like belts from the front, but never from the side. Or the back. I hate belts from the back because I don't like my shape from the back. But anyway, I bought this belt because it looks like a Gucci ripoff. And I quite like that look, really. I think that might be a bit too big to kind of stick around my waist, which is a bit annoying, but I'll just punch some more holes in. I could potentially wear it with that ASOS white t-shirt that has the green belt. So it's like a double belt situation. Or maybe I could wear it with, I don't know, other beltable clothes. Then we have some earrings. I also always buy earrings from ASOS. A lot of my earrings are ASOS. These ones I love because they remind me of like vintage Versace. Do you like them? Nice, innit? Oh, shit. Quite like them. Yeah, nice. You alright, Sid?
Stinks.
Yeah, no, it smells of weed. Guys, the last two things I bought is actually makeup. And you guys know, if you watch my vlogs anyway, that I like glossy eyelids, and I've been using castor oil to get that effect. I haven't done that today. By the way, ASOS has its own makeup line as well. I didn't know that. Do you want me to do a first impressions or a full face of only ASOS makeup? These are Mina or Ina, I don't know how you say it, but I love this brand. This is how it looks, and if you just open it up, it's like a spongy thing. Oh, you just twirl it up, I guess. Oh, here we go. Right, let's have a go. I'm gonna try it. But I like it. It is being glossy. I don't know, actually. Maybe it's because I've got concealer on my eyelids and eyeshadow that it's not giving me the full effect. Okay, so here are my eyelids. You can't really tell. Hold on a minute. I just pushed up like crazy and half the product is gone. Guys, look how much I just pushed up and literally half of it's gone. What's going on there? What the F is that about? Guys, look how much I just pushed up compared to the one that I haven't even opened yet. How? I have not used half of it on my lids in one application. Let's just try this one while we're here. What the flip? It's going up like crazy and nothing's coming out. Am I being dumb? Is Dina being stupid? Can you kind of see that? Not really. Oh, I don't know if I am impressed. Anyway, that just reminds me, I really want to try Glossier the makeup brand as well. I haven't tried any of their products, so I'm thinking maybe I'll save it for a first impressions video. Let me know if you want to see that as well. That's everything I got, guys. I'm pretty sure I like everything except for those stupid red socks that were supposed to be pink, and I'm just a bit annoyed that some things didn't arrive because clearly they went in my checkout because I was browsing online for that long. Sorry, pardon me for being rude. It was not me, it was my food. It just popped up to say hello. Now it's gone back down below. Hannah's recently learnt that, and it's really cute every time she burps. And every time I burp, she's like, Mama, you burped. You better sing that song. Anyway, guys, let me know if you want me to check out what's new on other websites. That's it. I'll see you on my next video. Till next time, bye.